Sweet iced coffee heaven, Joe must-try recipe. Hey coffee lovers and sweet tooth friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a candy drizzle cold latte, a fun, indulgent coffee drink that feels like dessert in a glass. This is the perfect recipe for warm afternoons, cozy movie nights, or whenever you want your coffee to feel a little extra magical. Imagine a smooth, chilled latte layered with creamy milk, bold espresso, and finished with a playful candy drizzle that melts into every sip. It's rich, refreshing, and just sweet enough to feel like a treat without being overwhelming. Ingredients: 1 cup cold milk, dairy or non-dairy, 2 shots of espresso or half cup strong brewed coffee, cooled 1 to 2 teaspoons, sugar or flavored syrup. Optional: ice cubes, candy drizzle of choice, chocolate syrup, caramel sauce or melted candy melts, whipped cream, optional, crushed candy or sprinkles for topping, optional. Directions: start by drizzling your candy sauce along the inside of a tall glass, letting it naturally streak down the sides. This not only adds flavor, but also makes your drink look cafe-worthy. Fill the glass with ice, then pour in the cold milk. Slowly add the cooled espresso over the milk to create those beautiful latte layers. If you like your coffee sweeter, stir in a bit of sugar or flavored syrup at this stage. Top with whipped cream if desired, then finish with another generous candy drizzle over the top. Sprinkle on crushed candy, chocolate shavings, or festive sprinkles for an extra pop of fun. Give it a gentle stir or leave it layered for that first dramatic sip. And enjoy. This candy drizzle cold latte is customizable, eye-catching, and perfect for summer sipping or special treats. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more creative coffee ideas, and let me know in the comments what candy flavor you'd drizzle on yours. See you in the next cup. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.